Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So how do you trade stickers on Monopoly Go? It's fairly simple. If you have more than one copy of the same sticker, you can send them to a friend and help them with their progress. In the album menu, which is found in the bottom right corner of your screen, the stickers you have multiplied copies are marked as A+1 or +1. So it depends really. As you can see here, there's +2 on mine. To trade an extra, just tap on the sticker you'd like to trade, and at the bottom of the sticker you will see a send to a friend button. So hit that button and just select the friend, and as you can see here, you can select the friend you can send it to. And remember, you must be connected to Facebook if you like to send stickers, or you should have a in-friend game. So just visit their trading group, which is Monopoly Go groups, which is in their Facebook page, and keep in mind that there's only a daily limit of trading 5 stickers per day. You can also exchange excess stickers for a reward using the reward for extras, as you can see here right there. I have 22 right now, so it's found within the album menu too. And that's how basically you trade in your stickers on Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.